Okay, we survived last run, which was an absolute banger. Talk about crazy good. And here we go with this wacky little, goofy little silly run. So stats look great. We got the cat ears, so we're already kind of balling as far as Eden is concerned. We got D20 to start. We got my shadow, which it's okay. I think we'll find a way to use it appropriately. It just cube. So Q Baby is good in early floors. It just gets annoying as hell late floors. Like kicking that little buttery around this thing. That's the problem. Is you can never just walk in a straight line anymore because Le Cube is doing his own thing. But we'll hold on to him, I guess. Frozen in time there. See, the freeze thing, the freeze effect in Isaac is stupidly good. Probably forced the issue there, didn't have to. Oh, so this is where Q Baby's gonna be like Mr. Pog. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's going for double. Kick that cube around. Did I get one? I did. I can send this. Ugh. See, I'm using him too much. I'm taking injury though. Gotta be careful. Alright, so let's talk. Last run was awesome. Ended up with a revelation. Stairway to Heaven. I mean, it was pretty awesome. We D20'd a red heart and a key from a red heart and a coin. So, damn. I'm taking a lot of damage here. That's not the best. So now we're gonna try and use the My Shadow. There we go. Got it to work. Oh, you better chill out with those. It's too much PTSD for me. Oh, you can throw portals away. That's interesting. Tears and yeah, that's a great item. Tears up and some spirit hearts. So our stats. Speed's great. Tears is great. Damage is great. Range is fine, shot speed's fine, luck is what it is, man. It is what it is. He didn't stay frozen for very long. Wow, wow, okay, holy Moses. We've got a crawl space. And in that crawl space, we've got Spider Baby. Spider Babby. I'm fine with Spider Baby. There's no real problem with it whatsoever. Now show me the shop. Show me something good. Ooh. 9 volt. 9 volt. Let's find the secret room. Oh my gosh, how do you do that? Wow. Oh, there's actually money. Okay. 9 volt's fine. It's good enough to take. No question about it. Or his jumper jumper cables. They're both good. They're both good. Shoot. It's possible I do this and get them both. Oh, 1 penny off. Well, hold on. I'm not willing to give up on that yet. Got our penny. And a spirit heart, okay. So the game says you can have both. And we say thank you. Alright, so on the first floor we managed to get a ton of money, so that's pretty awesome. We got jumper cables and 9 volts, so I'm hoping for a better space bar item than D20. To be completely honest with you, D20 doesn't do much for me. It used to be really good. It used to be really, really solid. But they changed it, I believe, so whatever. Maybe they didn't change it. Maybe I'm just tinfoil hatting it up right now, but I believe it was changed to be less good. Dude, stop giving me those. Okay, I remember what had happened only 2 runs ago. Okay, I was there. Four red hearts is actually worth for sure re-rolling. You got tricked into giving me a lucky penny and a dime. Unbelievable. Oh, okay, there's a little bloody recharge going on. Let's kick the baby around. There we go, and then boom. Oh, not quite. Okay, this room took a while. I think this room just required more finesse than I had. Secret room, I'm thinking, is to the right of the room we're about to go in. Oh. Let's get some bombs. Oh my. Oh! Head of the Keeper is pretty good. Wow, a lot of money in this room. Money, money, money. Ain't it funny? In a rich man's world. Wow, okay, I feel like I kicked him and it wasn't even supposed to go there, but then it got really close to the enemy, so who knows? Jury's out on that one. What do we got in here? Middle baggie, as far as I'm concerned, can go away. Oh my lord, bird's eye. Okay, this run's amazing already. This run is absolute cube, baby. You need a GTFO, my friend. What do you take? We'll just take all this stuff. We're probably not going to get another charge anyway, so just be happy we got something in there. Talk about a really cool sacrifice room that gave me 4 red hearts, so I mean, that's, you never see that. Oh my goodness, fire and ice. We got the bird's eye and then ice baby, so we're literally Mr. Fire and Ice right now. It's crazy. Okay, let's try to kick the baby in there and do something with him. Yeah. It's a big floor. Oh. So this is the room that, yeah, totally not salty, but this is the room I overplayed and as a result died to the troll bomb on basement 2. Thank you for reminding me. Child's heart. Second secret room here, possibly? No, I won't ever find it then, to be honest with you. Oh my lord. So there's a lot of money also for a bomb. We can investigate that a little further. Get some extra money just by doing one of these numbers. More than happy to do that. What's in here again? I forget. I'm good. I feel solid right now. I'm doing good. Let's just listen up. I know I'm costing myself a half red heart play by doing this, but I'm alright. Cube baby is already an annoyance to me. I feel like I should just stop picking him up, honestly. He is helpful, but like, it just gets so annoying at the end of the game. Personally. We'll see. Maybe he does some good damage here. Bird's Eye doing Lord's work as usual. Loving that. Oh my goodness. Love that. Range up, sure. It puts us right next to conjoined, so I guess you roll with it. There's nothing too wrong with Lil Abaddon. Sorry, I just cracked my knuckles. Nothing wrong with Lil Abaddon. It will be good damage for now, that's for sure. Like, helpful at least. Ooh, okay. Let's not get hit. So this room, I can just tell you right now, is terrible. There we go, there's a penny. Another penny. Saw him, he went down. Oh my gosh, if I got hit there, I would have been unhappy. Temperance forces Isaac to eat 5 pills. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe there's a PhD in the shop. Oh, he might be worth playing though, I know that. Secret room could be right here. So usually, or I think it's blue candle and red candle that just turn those guys into the. Oh. Okay, golden key you pick up for sure. Try for the secret room. It is actually there. It's a ghost chest. I know that face. Oh, there's a tinted rock right there. Okay. So priority number 1 is obviously the shop. There's no question about that. There could be more options in there, and we have plenty of money to fund that sort of venture. It would absolutely be worth it. So let's see. So Bird's Eye, if I'm not mistaken, actually does some portion of our damage. So if we get damage ups, it makes Bird's Eye better. That's great news. Okay, we got some lag problems going on here. What's the issue? We do not kill things very quickly at all here. Well, Bird's Eye does, though. Sure, we'll take Sharp Plug. We've got so much money, we'll just start buying this stuff so we don't see it again. Joker, Lovers, Reverse Lovers. What does that do again? Spawns in that. Oh, Death, Devil. We'll take the Joker. Turn the rest into cottage cheese here. We're not too crazy about it. Okay. So the Joker card's great. God, you stupid cube. Get away from me. We still have to hit that tinted rock on the way. Oh, another range up. Okay, and a little bit of luck is good because Bird's Eye is actually luck dependent. So, you know what? We're fine with that. Why am I trying to avoid picking up coins right now? It's because this could be a pretty solid D20 reroll room. Oh, good gravy. Ooh, somehow avoided the hit there. Ah, did not that time though. Wow. Shameful. Let's see what the item room is. Rock in a jar. Terrible item. Okay, it's small rock. That's kind of what we were hoping for. Speed down, yes, but it's a very nice damage up for where we're at right now. And I'm alright with that. Good lord. Bumbo. There's no way to say this. I don't want to see you. Ooh, okay. Little Abaddon just did big damage there. Fallen gives us conjoined. Fallen gives us conjoined. That's pretty awesome. Sitting up for this. Okay. Okay. We're missing page 2 and Lil Delirium, huh? Nope. I will pass. Alright, let's go ahead and D20 our big biggest room. Ooh, we got a text. I'm Mr. Popular. How about that? Okay. Am I nervous? Yes. A little bit, yeah. I took a lot of damage. I don't like doing that. Usually. So, let's grab, well. Okay. Guess we're just gonna be getting keys on keys here. No problem with that. We found the secret room. I do actually have an idea where the second secret room is. And we're gonna check it. Do I want Bumbo? Can spawn an item on coin pickup? Really? Bumbo can do that? Well, good for him. Ugh, really? Myself? I'm just mad at myself, not even. Alright, time to start dodging better. We're getting a lot of champions, though, I will say. Okay. Conjoined is awesome, most of the time. Hopefully there's no Ipecac to harsh our buzz. Vaults just suck. Changed my mind. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So we got good range. We also shoot conjoined, so it's likely this room will not give us as much trouble as the usual amount of trouble it gives me. Oh, okay, say that, and then I almost get beamed. Okay, easy, brother. Don't do something you're gonna regret now. Hey, an Eternal Hearts. That's exactly what we wanted to see, pretty much. Kind of, not really, but it's what we wanted to see. Definitely. Not really, sort of. Yeah, totally. Okay, greed. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at all that moolah. Would that have been a good room to D20? Yes. Did I kind of choke a little bit by not D20ing? Yes. Absolutely. Okay, you're gonna have to hide better than that. Oh, I thought I could just... Let's just keep working on the dodging. Okay, we'll get there. We'll get there, guys. Okay, battery charge is good. Second secret room is also good. Ooh, there we go. So this will be a D20 room of sorts. Hoping for a blood bag. Although, obviously, IV bag is a good item. I just don't know if I need it. We are absolutely going to play that bum in this room now. Did the cute baby push the... Oh, he's dead. Why did I even... I didn't even think about that one before I did it. Okay, we still have a bum in here to play. Oopsie. Excellent. That is absolutely excellent. So here's what we're gonna do. Hell. Well, I was hoping for a deal with the devil item, but it's like, what do you want to do more? Deal with the devil item or D20? Probably deal with the devil item. Actually, now that I say that out loud, I think the deal with the devil item is probably better. So Spider Baby's doing good, giving us a good amount of spiders to think about while we continue our conquest of Caves 2, Flooded Caves 2. Don't go in that room. Don't go in that room, buddy. So we're also going to bring Liberty Cap in. Okay, half a Spirit Heart is very good. The Lover's card is also very good.
The Lovers.
A Bomb is good. So we're gonna go play Demon. Another pill. Oh, demon. Oh, to be a demon again. So, listen. This is probably going to be a little slow. But, you know what? I'm kind of a slow guy, so what do you do? Okay, we got a full charge, which means let's go grab some cards, bring them over here, yada yada yada, yada yada yada. Yoda. Another pill. Yummy. Is this worth it? What I'm about to do? No. Let's bring one pill in and do it. I don't want to bring those other pills over. Not quite in the mood. Ooh, massive. That is good for business. It's a good tears up. We like to see it. I will say this, D20, you're doing your job, brother. That's for dang sure. We're gonna grab Child's Heart. We're gonna grab the Joker card. We're gonna go play Mr. Guy over here. If you call it a day. What are we looking for now? Just some HP would make me happy. Oh, keep your skin. Another spider item. I think we're one away from a spider transformation. So now, in rooms with rocks, spiders will kind of flood out. It's kind of creepy, actually. Boss is Chubb. I think we're gonna be alright. We have so many dang spiders. Yes, absolutely. Ooh, bandage is great. Deal with the devil is. Okay. Well, if you're thinking about taking Abaddon, you kind of just have to take the hairball. because we're gonna lose our HP anyway. Abaddon's a great pickup, though. We're very happy to have that. Alright, let's rock and roll all night. Party every day. So we got nice damage up there, we got nice speed up there, we got tears up from the screw. Ooh, bloody penny. Potentially huge here with Keeper's Eye. Oh, Spirit Heart, that is massive. Keeper's Can, showing us a couple spiders from those rocks. Also, when you blow up rocks, you get spiders. It's a interesting reproductive cycle. Scientists haven't really ironed it out yet, haven't really figured it out. This is a fun little disco room. Come here. So we are in a good spot. We got our red heart because the eternal heart from last floor. We got good. We got our speed back up from when it went down with small rock. So at least we're back to normal there. I honestly would not be mad about a speed up from this boss. A wooden spoon. I'd be totally happy to see that. Cracked orb. We get cracked orb. Life is good. Ooh, that is not the secret room. That's actually a big surprise. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. We've got... Oh, this room's crazy. What are these guys doing? All my spiders are gone, it would seem. Which is too bad, because we had a nice little army there, because we just did so many IV hits, so many... Dark bum hits. Hey, Ice Cube. So 41 cents. We're going to leave the pennies on the ground at this very point in time. Jeez Louise. I don't know what makes them explode. I think they have to be in a group suicide thing going on, but I don't need those two trinkets actually. I think I'm fine. Man, that's not the secret room, huh? You definitely would have fooled me. Oh, never mind. Suddenly I am unfooled. Ooh, almost got hit there. So, what is this? Steps 1, hopefully? Okay, steps 1 at 26 minutes. Well, to be fair, we don't move very fast, so... Whoa! Ice baby? Don't freak me out. I felt like I was about to hit the spikes because of that. Come on now. Don't do that to me. So definitely going to pop in here, see what's going on. We'll take. We're fine. We're fine. So D20, you got to give it to it. D20's doing a great job for us, actually. It's a good item. It's a good item, and it's even better with like the stuff we have for it. Obviously, there's no question about that. You know, the pennies that show up just by hitting enemies and all that. Oh, a player for one of my games has been banned by anti-cheat. Yeah, well, it's day in the life right now, Leadify. That's why I'm not playing CS:GO right now. Too many cheaters in CS:GO right now. It's unbelievable. I don't know what the deal is. It's just because CS2 brought a ton of people who just want to be global for half a day before they get banned. I don't know. I hate it though. I hate it though. So there's Cracked Orb opening the Oh, it showed us the Ultra Secret Room as well. Not like that's probably gonna matter, but Birthright, cool. Little Steven, Magneto, and Purgatory. Purgatory's good. Little Steven I actually do like here too. It's kind of a bummer we can't pick up multiple there. I'm fine. It has to be the Ice Cube baby that's messing with my bombs, right? Is that what I'm witnessing, kind of? Ice Cube baby, you got chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Guys, I keep saying it, but no one's laughing. What's going on here? Tauros, absolutely not. I don't like that item. I'm good. Oh, I just hit Q on accident. Okay. Well. Satanic Bible. Let's do it, because we want deals with the devil at this point. D20, you did wonderfully for us. I'm not going to say anything bad about that. High-key fat-fingered my Q, though, so hopefully we don't get a deal with the devil on this floor. Otherwise, I'm actually going to be kind of sad. But Satanic Bible at this point in the run is a great pickup. We're happy to have it. D20, you did wonderfully, though, seriously. Big props. I know I just said it, but I really do mean it. D20 did awesome for us. I like that item a lot. And it did everything we asked of it, and then some. You do take Book of Sin here, because we want to get Bookworm, and also we got Satanic Bible, so I can almost guarantee you we're going to be flying through the HP system here. Okay, one more charge, and then I'm going to show you guys an Ultra Gamer move. There's a Tinted Rock right there. Could have blown up the Tinted Rock for free, but that was not the Ultra Gamer move. A regular wood chest? I didn't even know that was an option for Tinted Rocks. What the heck? What the HE heck? Oh my god. Did that just open up the bad room? It did. Oh my god. That's awesome. So, you take Placenta. That's a good item. And you fight. But we got HP now. We're not really scared. We got Book of Satanic Bible. We paid a Spirit Heart and a half to get a Red Heart. Okay? That's a fine trade. That's a market value trade. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay. Apparently the cage just only is interested in shoot your laser, coward. Yeah, that's what I thought. So we can actually go we can go to the bad room. I mean, that's a really bad place, and this run is not what I'm interested in pushing to the limit. Although we do have Satanic Bible, so like we probably would get to 12 HP. I mean, I can almost guarantee we get to 12 HP. Does that change anything, though? No. Key, bomb, key. Okay. Having a hard time walking this puppy out. There we go. It's some money. And the Sun card, which I actually really like. Kinda wish I took Little Steven, but Purgatory is probably the better pick. I really like homing, and I like familiars. Yeah, those guys can really suck sometimes. Oh my god. I feel like we've seen a lot more troll bombs in recent... Oh, okay, well I unlocked the key beggar, so... Kidney stone is what it is, and I want, with my 76 cents, I want to re-roll into something. HP, I actually don't mind. Oh, but 2020, a little better. We're absolutely gonna Soul of Eden whenever's in the shop if it's bad. If it's good, then we leave with Soul of Eden. Man, these golden chests have been pretty dry. $2020 is awesome. It's too bad it's a damage down now. I don't know why it got nerfed. But it's not up to me. Not up to me, and it's a good thing for it because I know nothing about video games. Oh my gosh. A crossbase. Oh. Well. Not too good, but it's cool we got it. That's for sure. Q baby just kind of doing a little funky dance there at the top of the ladder for some reason. I think he was just happy to be there. Yes, Soul of Eden absolutely going to be used in here.
Soul of Eden.
Blood Puppy, I don't like either. Reverse Empress, you're going to have to help me out here. What do you do? Health, tears up, speed down. Okay. Let's grab the Sun card. 67% chance to deal with the devil. I should really blow up a greed on this floor. I had the opportunity in the shop as well. I should really go do that. Just to give ourselves that nice 72%. We have not found our secret room. Never mind. There we go, 72.5%. Okay. We are going to fight Mom right now. Yeah. Isaac. So this is one of those runs where the stats aren't jumping off the page, but the run's still fine. That's because we have Bird's Eye and alternative forms of damage like Will Abaddon and Keeper's Kin that just add to our Fiesta. And we did not get a deal with the Devil, which does suck, and we are absolutely punching them on. I'm punching the air right now. Womb 1. Let's Sun card it up, bro. Let's get out of here. Let's fight in that challenge room, just because, you know, there might be a new card in there that we want. Because, you know, I'm a card collector. There's also Stone Chest, which does interest me. Oh, it's pills. Can it be cards ever? Or is it pills only? Because I think we opened one earlier and it was pills only as well. I do not know. Okay, somehow he anticipated that. I thought he was jumping at me from over here. Maybe he was frightened when he did that. I did not pay attention. 100% on me, but great anticipation by Monstro. Wow. 99 cents. Nice. We're happy. Purgatory is awesome. I'm just kind of locked in right now. I don't really know what to say. Hopefully we get the Anarchist Cookbook here. If we do, that's Bookworm. Very nice. Yeah, I don't really know what to say commentary-wise right now. I feel locked into the run. It's not stupidly overpowered, but it is definitely winnable. I don't think I'm gonna make the trek for the second secret room. I think I'm alright. Respectfully. We're almost done here, though. This is a secret room all day. If we had Luna, it'd be a second secret room. No question. Alright, we're at 12 HP. Thank you, Satanic Bible. Very good. We're definitely going to get a deal with the devil item from our boss. And we're definitely going to get one from the deal with the devil we're going to get. Hopefully. But the deal with the devil could have Krampus, could have a lot of stuff in it, so at least we guarantee an item from the boss. Cool. Skolex is an uncommon one. You don't see him very often. Sometimes he never... Okay. Oh, God. Blood rights. Gross. Oh, wow. Guppy's paw. I mean, at this point, is a dead dream, right? I don't know. I'm not willing to pass up on Guppy in case I screw that up, though, so... Blood rights, you can stay down as far as I'm concerned. You suck. And I hate you. Oh, an arcade. Ooh. D4. Nightlight. Whoa, 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 whoa. Eternal D6. Eternal D6. Eternal D6? What? Whoa, Eternal D6? Oh, my luck is catching up with me. There we go. You can play this guy for charges all day. We got the money, honey. Wow. I know he can drop battery items. We're full HP. I should just move on. I could Eternal D6 all those items in there, but I would Eternal D6 my poor Satanic Bible, which I'm not really like down for. You feel me? If we were strong and we were just coasting, sure, dude. Oh my God, get away from me. I still do not forgive you, Troll Bomb, for what you did to me. Quick boss room find, that's excellent. So, you know what's kind of bummer is we actually only stayed at 1.5 luck. If we got up there, man, we would have been happy campers. Yeah, 10% chance to shoot a piercing spectral is much better than what we have at this point, because we actually don't need to be picking up to get a quarter chance at a red heart every time we pick up a penny. Unless we were thinking about Dark Bum, but it's so late in the run, how would we even acquire a Dark Bum at this point? I do not know. Yeah, you got me. You got me. We gotta deal with the devil. No freaking way. We got Guppy. Wow. That's excellent. Are you kidding me? That's awesome. That I'll eat. What? Yeah. We got 9 lives Gupster. So now we're like big time balling. Big time balling. Oh, hello. I don't want that eternal heart, my friend. So now I'm just looking for the purgatory squares, and I'm gonna free them, and they'll do my bidding for me, because I'm not really, like, in the mood to run around and fight. Lay down your arms into the fire. You're in ruin. Well, that's right, Bloody Gus giving us a nice little speed up and tears up every time we take damage on a floor. That's humongous. Obviously, if we needed it, we would be very happy with that. I think it's a good item. I think Bloody Gus is a good item. I think Bloody Lust is a good item. I think Lusty Blood's a great item. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I just want more tears and more speed, because the 1.37 actually feels awesome. Oh, 1.56. Isn't this nice? Gluttony, hello. So, oh, right, Cracked Orb was telling me, hey man, this is actually not the right way to go. Now the tiers are absolutely buku crazy, and the speed is awesome. This is how our run should be, just like at default. Thank you, Cracked Orb, for showing me that there's a long way to go on this run. When I took damage, it opens up a little bit of mapping. It's a good item, it really is. Cracked Orb is a really good item. It should be more than a level 1 tier item. It should be like a 2, honestly. 2, maybe not a 3, but definitely a 2. Oh, we're not even done in this room. What am I doing? Yep, you guys keep on doing your thing. I'm gonna keep on doing mine. And here we go. We got to the boss, and it's Isaac. Whoa, surprise, surprise. Sack Dagger doing its thing there for a minute. Much appreciated. So we're up to max speed and 6.73 rate of fire. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, Chief. I don't know about you. Alright, we made it to the chest. Finally, finally, finally. Continuum, absolutely gotta take it. Sad Bomb's gotta take it. Oh, a Teleport 2.0. Nah, I'm not gonna take it, I'm good. And away we go. I don't think there is an Nightmare room on the chest anymore. There used to be, and you could just infinite the chest, because it would just be... It's same with Undefined. I remember using that, by the way, to just keep re-rolling, keep getting free items from the chest back in the old days. Oh, I should be taking damage, by the way. What am I doing? There we go. Let's take a little more, even. Let's get our tears and speed back. Thank you. Speed. We have a need. Okay, so now we've mapped out where the boss is. Thank you to the orb. Oh my lord! We got Cricket's head. This run's solid too, man. Both runs on the streak have had Cricket's head. Yeah, your fire is cool, but I think mine's probably better. We've made it. We've made it to... Oh, I gotta take a hit here. There we go. We've made it to the baby. Later, bozo. Okay, well, there you go. There's a seed, and wow, that was a bit of a long one, but thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I did, and that's win number 2. Going for win number 3 in the next one. I hope to see you guys there.